Hello everyone, this is Prabhat Tiwari. Today we are going to discuss about parsing techniques. Let me share my screen. Uh, Wait for some time. There may be some technical error. Okay, now we all know what is parsing. Second phase of compiler, that is syntax analysis, gives a parsing tree or a syntax tree, which is also known as parsing. Now Uh, we will talk about uh, types of parser and parsing technique. Actually, we know that there are two types of parsing technique. First one is top-down parser, and second one is bottom-up parser. Both the parser use the two principle for the parsing technique. First one is the parser scans the input string from left to right and identifies that the derivation is leftmost or rightmost. And second one is the parser makes use of production rule for choosing the appropriate derivation. And the different parsing technique use different approaches. Bottom up use use different approach, and top down use different approach in selecting the appropriate rule for derivation. And finally, a parse tree is constructed. तो हम ये देख सकते हैं कि टॉप डाउन एंड बॉटम अप में भी फर्दर डिविजन्स हैं. जैसे प्रॉब्लम टॉप डाउन पार्सर में आपको बैक ट्रैकिंग प्रोडक्टिव पार्सर मिलेगा, प्रोडक्टिव पार्सर, रिकर्सिव डिसीजन पार्सर एंड LL1 पार्सर दिखाई देगा आपको. और बॉटम अप भी शिफ्ट रिड्यूस एंड LR पार्सर में डिवाइडेड है. LR पार्सर फर्दर डिवाइडेड है SLR, LRK एंड LALR में. ठीक है, तो अगर हम बात करें कि व्हाट इज टॉप डाउन पार्सर एंड व्हाट इज बॉटम अप पार्सर, then we can say when the parse tree can be constructed from root and expanded to leaves, then such type of parser is called top down parser. And the name itself tells us that the parse tree can be built from top to bottom. Okay, here top down, here we can say top down. According to the name, the parse tree can be built from top to bottom. Here is some example. If S tends to XPZ, P tends to YWY, then we have S tends to XPZ and P tends to, again, this P tends to YW or Y. We will discuss about this in later. And now bottom up parser. Bottom up parser में अगर हम बात करें, when the parse tree can be constructed from leaves to root, then such type of parser is called bottom up parser. Again, as the name itself tells, the parse tree will be constructed from bottom to node, leaves to node. ठीक है, तो इसमें बताया गया है कि नॉन टर्मिनल फॉर इंटरनल नोड, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि लिखा हुआ है बॉटम नॉन टर्मिनल फॉर इंटरनल नोड इज इक्वल टू नॉन टर्मिनल यूनियन टर्मिनल. So in this process, basically parser tries to identify right hand RHS of production rule and replace it by corresponding LHS. And this activity is called reduction. Bottom of parser में reduction का main use है. Thus the crucial but prime task in bottom of parsing is to find the productions that can be used for reduction. The bottom of parse tree construction process indicates that the tracing of derivation are to be done in reverse order. तो अभी आज हम लोगों ने बात करी टेक्निक्स ऑफ पार्सिंग की, टाइप्स ऑफ पार्सर की. In next chapter we will discuss about problems associated with top down parsing. Till then, thank you so much.